Here's the 1093. What's left of it. Getting exciting. Getting quite busy. Yeah, run with it a little bit. And this is what's left of the road, the old road. So this is the new road, of course, Nature's Road. And they're backing up the pickup truck. They're going to start hauling aid across on this path here pretty soon to load it up and take it to the village, which is stranded on the other side here. You can get a quick look down in the gorge, how it's all washed out. And this is, of course, the other side of the bridge. A little bit of a jump. Perhaps need a round to get across. Wish you luck on the landing.